So hi there everyone. We're going to continue with our videos or playlist in Introduction to Vedic Mathematics. We're now on the third part of Vedic Maths I. And what we're going to learn today is we're going to subtract any number from any sub-base numbers. So this is when the number of zeros in the sub-base number is the same as the number of digits in the number being subtracted. So we're going to talk about sub-base numbers right now. Sub-base numbers are numbers which is, a perfect base number, multiply it by an integer, okay, which is a one-digit integer. So for example, 1,000 times 8, 10,000 times 2, those are sub-base numbers. All of those perfect base which is not 1, okay, on the first digit. So for instance, say we have 500 minus 64. So this is a sub-base number. This is 100 times 5. So we have 500 minus 64. So how do we do this is that we're going to first reduce the first digit. This is automatic. From the left of the sub-base number, that's the leftmost number, that's 500, the 5. We're going to deduct 1 by it automatically. So 5 minus 1 is 4. That's going to give us 4 in the hundredths place. Then apply the same sutra, which is the Nikalam Sutra, the all from 9 to the last from 10 on the 64. So we're going to write 64, and then by the step 1 in the example, we need to have 4 in the hundredths place. That's 5 minus 1, that's 4. And then we're going to apply all from 9 to the last from 10. So what we're going to add to 6 to make it 9, that's going to make it 3. And since 4 is the last number, what are we going to add to 4 to make it 10? So that's 6. So the answer is 500 minus 64 is 436. So let's have one more example. Say we have 4,000 minus 367. So how do we do this? Automatically, we're going to minus 1 to 4. So that's going to give us 3. So 3, and then all from 9 to the last from 10. This becomes 3, 3, 6, 3, 3. Or 3,633. What will you add to 3 to make it 9? 6. What will you add to 6 to make it 9? 3. And then since 7 is the last number, what will you add to 7 to make it 3? So that's, sorry, what will you add to 7 to make it 10? So that's 3. Okay. Okay, now let's have some practice. This is the same 1.3. So you may pause the video and then add it there. Okay, so hope you have the answer now. So let's subtract 5,000 minus 718. So we're going to minus 1 to the 5,000. That's going to give us 4,000. And then all from 9 to the last from 10, Nikalam Sutra. That's going to give us 4, 2, 8, last number, 2. So 4282, 4,282. Number 2, we have 80,000 minus 8,209. So that's 8 minus 1, that's going to give us 7. And then all from 9 to the last from 10, 7, 1, 7, 9, 1. Okay, 71,791. Number 3, we have 400 minus 61. So minus 1 from 400. So that's 1 from the 4 here. So we have 3, 3, 9. So 339. And lastly, we have number 4. We have 600,000 minus 56,821. So minus 1 from 6, that's going to give us 5. And then all from 9 to the last from 10 here. We have 5, 4, 3, 1, 7, and 9 for here because that's the last number. So we have 543,179. Okay, and that's part of our video now. I think we can end here. That's 1.3. Next up, we're going to have our 1.4 part. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you'd like and also subscribe. See ya.